So today I will show you all how to install AWS CLI on Kali Linux. So first let me check if I really have it. So I do not have it. So over here, so you can see this AWS command line interface. So I will paste this link in the description. So I want to install AWS CLI on my Kali Linux. So first what do I have to do is scroll down, use this command, let this complete downloading. Meantime, we will copy this command as well. And paste it. Next, we will copy this command as well. So let's run. So there you see, we are good to go. Also, if you want to configure, so it will ask you for AWS key ID, secret access key, default region name, output format, etc. So we are good to go. Thank you.